Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So yeah, this morning I needed to nip out and get some flea bag treatment for this flea bag. Yeah. So I went to the range. So I decided to do a sneaky little video while I was walking round. I'm not really one for getting the camera out in public and showing people what's in there, but I just thought I'd do a sneaky video. Yeah, I adore that dragon. It was beautiful. So at the range, Halloween and fall is in full force. Lots of pumpkins and crafting kits and things like that. So I'm just showing you various different things they've got. These are some like little apple pumpkins that I got. That'll be in the haul at the end of this video. And these were like a ceramic pumpkin. They did like a tea light one, and then they did the normal pumpkin ones, and they were really cute. And I thought those, I didn't pick any up, but I thought those would be ideal for doing this decoupage on. If you want to go and watch that video, I'll link it in the description. I also picked up some of this ribbon. I do have some blue pumpkins that I've been wondering what to do with, and as soon as I saw this ribbon I thought that would be ideal. I'll show you it better at the end of the video in the haul. But here I realised, oh, I'm going to need a trolley, so off I shot for a trolley. So I thought I'd show you just some bits and pieces that they've got, like the big decorations they've got while I was grabbing the trolley. So yeah, here I spotted these skeletons. Now they were £2.49. I didn't pick one of those up, but I thought they would be ideal for putting onto a wreath. You could put lots of ribbon around it and different bones and things like that. That'd be really cute on a wreath. So yeah, Christmas has started too. So they've got lots of Christmas crafts that you can do with the kids. I love these blanks. I'm going to do a video using one of these blanks soon. I didn't pick one up today, but I do have one at home. And yeah, lots of Halloween crafts as well. I mean, those haunted houses at the bottom for $3.99. Get some paints for the kids. They'll have hours of fun colouring those in. So I looked at different things. I obviously love candles, but I didn't pick any up. And then I went down to have a look at some of the foliage that they've got on the flowers. Now, as I was walking down here, I thought someone was having a massive argument, and it was two women just chatting. I honestly thought they were having a massive argument, but they just spoke very loudly. It was really weird. The people you come across, it's really weird. That wasn't them then. Yeah, so I did pick up some foliage. I'll show you that in the haul as well. But they do a lot of beautiful flowers at the range. Now, for me as a crafter, I do find them a little bit expensive. For your own home, they're fine, but for me to use in something that I'm going to sell on, they would just be too expensive for me. So we're back over to the Halloween section. Now this aggravates me. Boxes. Why do they leave boxes just stacked in the middle of aisles? Not that I'm going to fall over them or anything. I just want to know what's in them. I get like FOMO, fear of missing out. I think, what's in that box where I might want? And I do find that a lot in the range. They just have them stacked everywhere. So yeah, these were some more things that I thought you could decoupage on. They had different skulls and different pumpkins and things, and yeah, lots of crafting goodies for the kids. So especially as it's coming up to, it'll be October half term soon. Some ideas there for you, apart from the knitting. I can knit, but anyway, from there it was time to go upstairs and have a look at the proper Christmas section upstairs. I do love these topiary bushes as well, but they're like £30. Now, if I put one of those outside my house, it would disappear, so there's not much point in me buying one. So upstairs at the range in Wigan, it's mainly furniture, and then we go into the Christmas section. So, and I do love that they put everything out in different colours. It's just amuses me that they've got buckets and spades on one side and Christmas decorations on the other. It's really amusing. So yeah, all the reds and golds here. They do a lot of really nice signs as well. I did buy one, I'll show you that in the haul, that I can use on a wreath. Lots of different greeneries and things, lots of different wreaths, lots of picks, and I'll show you a couple of those that I bought as well. And then, like I said, they put everything in different colours. Now, I'm loving these colours. I'm loving the green with like the cranberry, the pink. I think it's really nice colour combination. I did buy a load of decorations last year to put on a tree from the range. I spent nearly £100 actually, and I never actually used them last year, so I've got all those to use this year. So the bits I did buy little bits of decorations, but they're for a project that I'm looking at doing. I'm hoping to start it today actually, and it's a really big project, and it's one that I've never seen on Facebook before, so please do subscribe for that project that's coming up. Now, if you notice there, just there, there's actually, I didn't spot them while I was in there. They were like a flocked giant nutcracker, and they were stunning. And I hadn't actually seen them when I was walking around, so I don't know how much they are, but I'll have to have a look next time I go in. So yeah, everything's split into different colours. Lots of different decorations, some beautiful, absolutely stunning decorations they have. I bought a couple of little houses and some like plastic stars and some wings and things for this project that I'm doing. So obviously, like I said, I'll show you that in the haul. But yeah, I'm loving all the different colours that they've got. And like this bauble here, £2.99, you might think, oh, it's quite expensive that. But they're glass baubles, so they'll last for years. They're not the plastic ones, they are glass, so they will last for a long time. So I went on, and as I was round in the corner, I realised where the ribbon section is. So in the one in Wigan, they have a ribbon section upstairs, and I thought, oh, ribbon. Now, when I got there, I don't actually video that bit because there were lots of people stood round, but there was probably only about 5 or 6 rolls of ribbon left, and I was gutted. So whether they've not actually put them out yet or not. Now, these were little lights that I really liked and thought I might use for my project, but I do have some lights that I specifically got for that project anyway. But yeah, it didn't look like they had much ribbon out, so I'm hoping that the ribbon's not actually come in yet, and that all these, I'll show you now, all these boxes roped off to one side are containing all the ribbon, because I do think the ribbon from the range is quite reasonable. So here are some of the I've done it again. I just stopped the recording and then I restarted it because I forgot what it was called. Some of the centerpieces and some of the wreaths that they're selling this year, which I must admit are quite nice, and they are quite reasonable. Obviously I make my own wreaths, so I do have to charge a certain price for them. So I've just got the ribbon here, and like I said, there was quite a few people stood around, so I didn't want to put them on video. I did have one last look back just to make sure that there was nothing there that I did want. And then these are all the little lights that they sell. They are quite reasonable, the lights as well, I think, especially if I put it on the back of the wreaths and things. And then it was off to have a quick look at the Christmas trees and the lights that they have for sale in there. And then it was back downstairs to get the flea bag, hair flea treatment. So after driving home, it was time for the haul. And I don't know about anybody else, but I absolutely love this Corgi Christmas bag. I think it's the best. So yeah, so let's have a look what we ended up buying. So in total, including all the flea treatments, I spent £51, which I don't think is that bad. I think the flea treatments cost me probably about £15–16. So first of all, I got this, once I can get it unravelled from there, this like a reed or a stalk. This is to use in some autumn projects, so that was £1.99. I do have something similar, but they're very long, and these I wanted smaller, so rather than cutting them up, I bought that. I bought this pick, which is stunning. I have had these before. This was £3.99. I have made a video using those before, so I'll try and pop a picture in here or put a link in the description. And then I got this door hanger wreath. I think that was £1.49. So I'll take those with me when I'm doing craft fairs, just in case no one has a hanger for the wreaths. This is a sign that I got, which I think is beautiful. And this was £3.99. It's just a Christmas gonk, which, you know, is lovely. So I've just run and got my receipt because I couldn't remember what the prices were. So let's have a look what was next. So yeah, these are what I wanted for that project that I'm planning on doing. And they're just like a plastic star, which I love the colours on them. So they were, let me have a look, £1.29 each, I believe, for those ones. And then next, I got the ribbon. So this autumn ribbon was £1.29 also. And as you can see, it's like pumpkins, blue and orange pumpkins. And then I thought this gingham matched it rather nicely. And then I got the angel wings. So they were also £1.29, which I thought was a bargain and will go nicely into the project that I want to do. And then these hoses, and I thought these were cute as well. And you can see there's a colour theme building there with the teal green. And they were, the hoses, they were £1.79. So what's next, Grace? Pull it out of the bag. So this was a massive roll of ribbon, which I've been looking for ribbon like this for ages. As soon as I saw it, I had to run. This was the last roll they had in there, and I had to run and get it. And for this big roll, it was £3.99, and it's silver sequin, and it's beautiful. I also got a gold sequin as well, which was £2.99. And I did get a roll of the silver in the smaller size. So that was also £2.99. And if you make wreaths or if you want your Christmas tree to look beautiful, this is what you need. You need to pick up this ribbon. I also got the red. That wasn't sequin, it was more like a satin, but it was a stunning finish on it. So that was also £2.99. And then these are like, they look more like apples than pumpkins to me. Oh, they are apples. They were £1.29. So I can use those in some autumn and even some Halloween wreaths. That's another roll of the other ribbon and another one of the beautiful little wings. And then on the recommendation of Claire from Claire's Crafty Corner, I got some of this disinfectant. So that's the haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.